Funding for Arthur is provided by
Juicy Juice. We're behind Arthur 100%. Of course, that's how we do everything. Juicy Juice. 100% juice.
Post alphabets, 26 little letters that make the words that let you share your feelings. Around the corner or around the world, bringing us all a little bit closer together. Post Alphabet Cereal is proud to bring you Arthur on PBS.
Chuck E. Cheese's. Proud supporter of PBS Kids. Helping children discover the fun of developing their bodies and their minds. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
and by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
If you see someone famous selling you something, does it make you look and listen more closely, or does it make any difference to you at all? Man, these stars are everywhere, selling us everything. But how do we know which actually use a product and which is just selling the product? What do you think? That's right. What do you think? Tell a friend or write it down, because what you think is important. So what's up with all these celebrities selling us things? Does seeing their faces and listening to what they have to say about a product make a difference on what you buy or what you think is important? What do you think? What do you think?
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
By contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.